Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the essentials: model, battery level above 20%, and whether you know the Google or Samsung account tied to the phone. Once done, pick your reset path: Find My Mobile if you have a Samsung account, Google Find My Device if you know the Google credentials, or recovery mode if accounts are unavailable. Make sure to back up important data first when possible. This step prevents permanent loss and guides which method will be safest and fastest for you. If you have account access, use it because it's less destructive and faster. Sign into Samsung Find My Mobile and choose Unlock. This communicates with your phone and removes the lock without data loss in many cases. If using Google Find My Device, choose Erase Device to remove the lock, but note that this erases user data. Make sure the phone is online. Once you confirm, follow prompts and wait for remote commands to complete. This approach works because accounts verify ownership and allow secure remote actions. When account methods fail, perform a factory reset in recovery mode. You power off, then hold the correct key combo, often power plus volume up plus Bixby, to open recovery. Use volume keys to select wipe data/factory reset and confirm with power. This deletes all user data, so be certain. Once the phone reboots, you will need the original Google or Samsung account credentials because of factory reset protection. If you cannot pass FRP, try recovering account passwords or contact Samsung support as a troubleshooting option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.